come out at night, and it's time to get so cold. It's so long that I've been on my own, she says. It feels like my whole life, and sometimes it gets so old. I tell her, try to have some patience. Good things always seem to come to the souls who take it slow. She tells me there's no point in waiting, she has control. You can't separate what you need and what you want. But love isn't better than none. You try to simulate it and you're always holding on. But bad love isn't better than none. I watch her as she tries to calculate, and now she tries to imitate the things she is about. I offer her a helping hand, she chooses to stay on the ground. She won't stop till she figures out what is fate, because she wants one, but loneliness drives her to the wrong one. Say you'll see, the winds are changing, she doesn't see. She's rearranging, she has control. You can't separate what you need and what you want. But love isn't better than none. You try to simulate it and you're always holding on. But bad love isn't better than none. Banging down the doors of anyone who listens, screaming out loud, there must be more than this. And you never find the end to your lonely nights, till you fill them with a space made for Mr. Right. You're so afraid of having nothing, and you really don't believe that good love isn't coming. All you see is doubt. So